So you got a barbecue grill, it's only a couple years old. The flame's just not coming out as hot as it used to, or you got certain sections of your grill that is hot, like say in the front, not in the back. What you're gonna do is locate any screws that are up in here. Once you take this section off over here, locate any screws. If you can't unscrew them, get yourself, heat the screws really hot for about maybe 30 seconds until they turn red, blistering hot, and then try to unscrew them. Make sure you get a good screwdriver that locks up into that screw. Once you have that screw off, because that right there, what I just told you, should help you, remove your, whatever you want to call this, tube. It's a thing that I've already cleaned mine, so I just got done cleaning mine. I'm just showing you guys because my grill looks like new again. Take this, and in that hole right there, bang it out. I had all kinds of little shards coming out. Put it up in the sink, clean the heck out of it. Stick a tiny, find a tool, a little tiny screwdriver or something, and clean up every single little hole over there. Once you got it nice and clean, that's part one of cleaning out your tube to get the gas in there. Now there's another part here. You're not done. You may think you're done. Most people think they're done. Up in here, find the section that releases the gas. And I'm gonna get in there for you guys. Mine needed unscrewing. I've already got it loose for you guys to show you guys. This is what the gas goes through. Let me get it out here for you guys. That's what the gas goes through and releases out of here into the tube. All mine were completely clogged. Now you can look through them. I can't show you guys because the video doesn't do it, but I stuck a pin through there to unclog all the grease and gas that had clogged that up. Now just cleaning that wouldn't have solved your problem because you're not getting any fuel to come out of the tube. So if you clean this and that, your grill should work like new. And it's good to maintain this every 3 years, but most people will assume, oh, my grill's not working, they don't know why, and they end up throwing it away and wasting $300 or $400. But my gas grill now is good to go, probably for another 3 years before I have to do this again. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you guys out on fixing your gas grill. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you.